You don't have to be afraid of pruning your trees. It is good for them, it will help them produce more fruit and overall have a healthier orchard. Let's get started. To start with this tree, it doesn't have too many dead or rotting branches, but we do have a dead branch right here. It looked like it got broke at one point last year and it is starting to go. So we're gonna go ahead and prune it. We have a little offshoot here, and I believe that is it for this tree, but you may have more or less, but you wanna get this stuff out. Hand pruners would be okay for this, but I don't have any on me right now. I'm gonna angle this about a 45-degree angle, and we're gonna get that trimmed up. That way water can drain off and it can start to heal quicker. And this branch here is growing into the canopy, and I'll probably cut some of these off. They're kind of growing there too, but same thing. We're gonna go ahead and get this in here about a 45 if you can. Get that out of there. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and cut this branch right here. It's one of the other ones that is growing inside the tree. We're gonna go ahead and try to match that angle best we can. Take that branch out, which does open it up quite a bit. That's gonna promote more airflow. The next step we're doing is we're gonna go ahead and trim up the top. We're gonna get the profile that we want for our tree. That may involve trimming down a few branches that are going up a little bit more on this side, and I'm going to try to get these few branches about the same level. Okay, we have this particular tree done. This one didn't have any little shoots growing from the base. I'm going to look around my other trees and hopefully we can go ahead and get a video to show you what to look for. But I got the profile of this tree done. It's looking good and it should produce some good apples this year. So let's go see if we can find some shoots. None of these trees really had a whole lot going on. This is the best I could find here to show you. But this one is just a dead one already there. But we still have these growing up. We're gonna wanna get down here and cut them off, prevent those from starting up here. Wanna get rid of these, and then after that, your tree is good. And I know I need to mulch here, but that will be something that we will do here in the next 3-4 weeks. We have shown you the correct way to prune your tree and get yourself set up for a successful harvest later in the year. I'll see you guys later in the next video. Make sure to subscribe and all that type of stuff.